How to check battery power in Redmi Note 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the status of battery. First of all, open settings. Now, slowly scroll down until you find the option called battery. So here it is. Simply tap on battery. So this will give you all the details about the battery that is in the current state. So as you can see, the remaining time it is showing. Here you can even set the current mode. Here tap on current mode to select the one, so it will give you a reference on how many hours or how much time it will stay up. Here if you scroll down, it even shows the distinguished things or the distinguished application it has set or used into. So this is how you check the battery status. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.